As the biopharma industry works to meet the growing demand to serve larger patient populations and produce more complex treatments and therapies, manufacturing processes and capabilities must continue to evolve. With the global demand for biologics increasing, buffer management is becoming a significant challenge for the biopharmaceutical industry, creating the need for innovative solutions. The established method of manufacturing buffers in-house can work well when large volumes are needed, but might translate into an increased manufacturing footprint, high operating and labor cost, as well as logistics challenges, potentially leading to disruptions in buffer supply. As volumes rise, buffer production problems can bottleneck the entire manufacturing process. Simultaneously, biomanufacturers are pressured to manage and control costs, build in flexibility, and improve efficiency. Avantor helps relieve the pressure on biopharma manufacturers with globally available buffer management outsourcing capabilities for both standard and customized solutions. Whether your process requires single or multi-component solutions, buffer concentrates, or ready-to-use buffer solutions supplied in single-use packaging, drums, or isotainers, Avantor's expanded hydration capabilities can be tailored to meet your unique quality and quantity needs. As a leading global provider of mission-critical products and services to the biopharma industry, our skilled technicians innovate solutions that are in line with your existing infrastructure. Then, we work with you to provide them where and when needed around the globe, reducing the complexity of your global supply chain. Avantor's hydration platform is focused on reducing total cost of ownership with solutions that eliminate steps and streamline operations, including raw materials hydrated in water for injection quality water, filtered and tested in line with industry needs. Single-use, ready-to-use bags that directly integrate into the manufacturing stream. Satellite samples and quality support that enable rapid release and investigation. A GMP quality system that guarantees consistency and quality in manufacturing high-purity grade raw materials. Outsourcing buffer preparation activities to Avantor shifts the burden of new technology investments and facility setup times to us. This frees time and resources so you can focus on innovations that create a better, healthier world.